In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pick your brand colors in seconds. Alright guys, so this video I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with your brand. Now, sometimes when if you're as a solo entrepreneur, you might be trying many offers all at the same time. You're trying different things. We don't know what's going to work. So one thing you don't want to do is invest weeks into picking the perfect colors, picking the perfect this and that. It's not relevant. What you want to do is pick something that's good, that makes sense, that reflects your brand, and you want to move on. Now, design is very challenging if you don't know about color theory and you don't know which colors pair together and how that's going to affect readability and all of those things. You randomly picking colors is probably not a good idea. So you just need to use some tools I'm going to show you here that are just done for you. So the first one is actually called Material Design Palette. So Material Design is a philosophy, and it's an open source project. And basically, lots of smart designers have tested the best methods for readability and for design and aesthetic and everything. And it's basically done for you. So if you go to materialpalette.com, all you have to do is just pick two colors you like. Let's say your brand, something that makes sense for your brand, and then you're off to the races. So let's say you go with red and purple. Probably wouldn't choose that combination, but as you can see here, then it's outputted all of the stuff for you, right? So maybe you go with a red and a gray, something a little bit more like that, right? Maybe, but either way, it's fine. You can go in here and you can just get that outputted for you. So really quick tool. Now, what if you already have a color you love? Let's say you have a single brand color, and then you're like, well, you know what? I need an alternative. I need a secondary or a tertiary color or something like that because you're doing a design and you need to add it to your design. So you can go use another tool called color calculator. So all you have to go in here is like, let's say, this is the yellow for the Solopreneur brand, and we just hit this, and this is the complementary color. So these two work beautifully together. Now, if you need more colors than that, you can do this, you can do that, and it's just going to export these for you. I like to save this all in Evernote, so all I do is just go, once I've generated this, just go in here, you can print it, you can save it, whatever you want, but I just do this. So I just go, you can copy it if you want, just make a new note in Evernote, call it brand, and there we are, right? We have the hex, we have the RGB, whatnot. You can write it down manually, you can save you can just simply, I also like to do this, just take a screenshot, then take that screenshot, throw it into Evernote, and we've now designed our brand in no time. So I also have a great tutorial on how you can create a logo just as quickly. So maybe you want to start with your logo first and you get your primary color, then you jump in here, you get your secondary colors from your logo. So, and all of this is free. So I'll link that logo video in the description, but basically you're going to be able to create a brand in 10 minutes for yourself that you're going to like, and that's going to make sense. And then if in the future this business idea of yours is really blowing up, yeah, go ahead, spend some time with a professional designer. Let me invest in your brand, right? Do some more market research. But when you're starting out, this is the least of your concerns. What you want to make sure is that you have a business that's delivering value to people, and that you can actually deliver and sell a service or product or whatever you're offering and actually be profitable. So that's it, guys. Quick tip. Hopefully it helps, and we'll see you in the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe if you found this useful.